today I'm going to be making ginger snaps. First we mix together the brown sugar, a cup of brown sugar, 3/4 of a cup of vegetable oil. I'm using canola oil. Also, there's a lot of background noise because there's a lot going on in the house. 3/4 of a cup. And 1/4 of a cup of molasses. And 1 egg. I'm using an electric mixer. Because I live above 5,000 feet, I use high altitude Hungarian flour, and I'm going to use a sifter. Two teaspoons of baking soda and half a teaspoon of whole cloves. We were supposed to have ground cloves, but we don't have any, so one teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1, 2, and a little extra. 1 teaspoon ground ginger. Whoopsie. Oh no! I just made a mess. Stuck in the grout now. Now, since it's very sticky, I'm gonna let it chill in the fridge and then roll them into dough balls. I let the mixture cool in the fridge for a little bit, and now it is time to add them onto the cookie sheet. Now for a taste test. They're pretty good. They're not super sweet. I think since I used whole ginger cloves, they don't taste as good, and I wouldn't make them again, but they're okay.